The Shatt al-Arab River, often referred to as the Tigris-Euphrates River, is one of the most historically significant and geographically important waterways in the Middle East. Formed by the confluence of two major rivers, the Tigris and Euphrates, it flows through a region that has been central to the development of human civilization for thousands of years. The river serves as a vital source of water, transportation, and agriculture for the surrounding areas, particularly in southern Iraq and parts of Iran. Geographical overview. The Shatt al-Arab River is formed near the town of Al-Qurna in southern Iraq, where the Tigris and Euphrates converge. From this point, the river flows southeast for approximately 200 kilometers, 124 miles, before emptying into the Persian Gulf. Its basin encompasses parts of Iraq and Iran, making it a key shared water resource between the two nations. The river's course is marked by a flat, marshy terrain, which is part of the larger Mesopotamian plain. This low-lying geography has historically contributed to rich soil deposits, making the region one of the most fertile in the Middle East. Historical significance. The Shatt al-Arab has been a cradle of civilization, lying within the region historically known as Mesopotamia, often called the cradle of civilization. Ancient Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians, and Assyrians all relied heavily on the river system for irrigation, trade, and transport. The fertile alluvial plains along the river allowed early societies to develop agriculture, which in turn supported the growth of cities and early forms of governance and culture. Even today, the river's significance is deeply intertwined with the cultural and historical identity of Iraq and its neighboring regions. Economic importance. The Shatt al-Arab River plays a critical role in the economy of southern Iraq. Its waters support extensive irrigation systems, enabling the cultivation of crops such as rice, wheat, barley, and dates. The marshlands and wetlands along the river also sustain rich fisheries, providing food and livelihood for local communities. Furthermore, the river is navigable for large stretches, making it an important channel for commercial shipping. The city of Basra, located along the river near its mouth, is Iraq's main port and serves as a hub for international trade, oil exports, and transportation. The navigability of Shatt al-Arab has made it a strategic economic asset for Iraq throughout modern history. Environmental and ecological features. The Shatt al-Arab is characterized by a mix of fresh water and brackish water, particularly near its mouth where it meets the Persian Gulf. This mix creates unique ecological zones that support diverse flora and fauna. The surrounding Mesopotamian marshes, which include the Hamar, Central, and Hawizeh marshes, are vital habitats for migratory birds, fish, and other wildlife. Historically, these marshes were extensive, but they have faced significant ecological degradation due to drainage projects, damming upstream, and pollution. Restoration efforts in recent decades have aimed to revive these wetlands, highlighting the river's ecological importance in addition to its economic role. Geopolitical importance. The Shatt al-Arab River has also been a focal point of geopolitical tension. Its strategic location and access to the Persian Gulf make it a crucial waterway for Iraq and Iran. Disputes over control of the river, water rights, and navigation have historically led to conflicts, including skirmishes and wars. The river continues to be a sensitive area, with ongoing diplomatic negotiations required to manage shared water resources and maintain peaceful relations between neighboring states. Challenges and modern issues. Today, the Shatt al-Arab faces several environmental and socio-economic challenges. Water pollution from industrial and agricultural runoff, along with salinity intrusion from the Gulf, threatens freshwater supplies and agriculture. Climate change and upstream damming on the Tigris and Euphrates have also reduced water flow, affecting both local communities and ecosystems. Urbanization, particularly around Basra, adds further stress on water quality and availability. These challenges require careful management to preserve the river's historical, economic, and ecological significance. In conclusion, the Shatt al-Arab River is not only a lifeline for southern Iraq but also a symbol of the historical, cultural, and economic vitality of the Mesopotamian region. Its waters have nurtured civilizations, sustained agriculture, enabled trade, and supported diverse ecosystems for millennia. While facing modern environmental and geopolitical challenges, the river remains an indispensable resource whose preservation is critical for the well-being of the region and its people. Its continued importance underscores the need for balanced management of natural resources, cooperation between neighboring nations, and protection of one of the world's most historically rich waterways.